This video demonstrates Hillstone's server breach detection system. Let's get started by showing the demonstration environment. Hillstone SBDS is deployed on an access switch to detect all traffic through servers inside an internal network. An infected USB disk bypasses all network perimeter protection and implants a virus into the internal network host. After the host is infected, it spontaneously connects with the external hacker server, waiting for commands to be sent. After the connection is established, the hacker's server issues an attack command to the compromised host. The compromised host will initiate a scan attack when it receives the command. Now I'll simulate the demo in a real environment. This is a hacker server waiting for connection. This is an internal network host. When a virus-infected USB disk is inserted into a computer, the malicious program runs automatically. You can see the internal network host is sending a connection request to the hacker's command server. The connection is successfully established when the hacker server receives the request. Then, an attack command is issued. The attack command is sent and the internal network host executes the scan attack. Okay, the attack execution is completed. Next, let's log into the Hillstone SBDS's web interface to see if the series of operations has been detected. This is the iCenter interface of SBDS. Look at the column labeled Risk Host Monitor. There is a host at risk. Click Host Details. We can see that there are two active threats on this host, Command and Control and an attack to the internal network. Let's click C&C to see details. You can see this is a malicious domain name. Click Knowledge Base. The knowledge base provides detailed information that describes the threat. In this example, it's a random domain name that is generated by the hacker server through the DGA algorithm. This random domain name can easily bypass the domain name blacklist protection. Let's look at the port scan and check it for details. We find that the internal network host 10.90.204.111 scanned the address of the external network using port 21. The threat is detected. The next thing is to block the threat from establishing a connection to the hacker server. The administrative analysis identifies this threat and adds it to the block list. After confirmation, you can see it on the Hillstone Next Generation Firewall. The blacklist already lists this risky host 10.90.204.111 and the threat is prevented. If we rerun the USB disk with virus, we see that the domain execution failed. The internal threat is successfully prevented by Hillstone SBDS and NGFW solutions. Thank you for watching this video demonstration of the Hillstone's server breach detection system.